everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 90 for July 2nd, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. We've got some really cool AI stuff to talk about today. Let's dive in. Here's a fresh example of how one clever set of instructions can turn a regular AI into something that feels like a complete video game. Someone used an AI system called Fable to build an entire chess experience that works in your browser. The game gives dramatic narration, strategic hints, and glowing praise for every move you make. Even if you have never touched a chessboard before, the experience wraps the rules in layers of story and encouragement so nothing feels intimidating. Think of it like a choose-your-own-adventure book that secretly teaches you chess while making you the hero of the story. Another way to picture it is training wheels on a bike that also tell you funny jokes and cheer every time you stay balanced. The prompt asked the AI to create a world where the player feels brilliant without needing real chess knowledge, and it delivered a working version. This matters because subjects that once felt scary, like chess or even math, can now become playful experiences built just for you. Students who always said they were not a chess person can now jump in and learn through feedback instead of fear of looking lost. It points toward future tools that could turn history lessons or science topics into custom adventures that match how you like to learn. You can try it right now by opening any browser and starting a game that handles every rule and explanation for you. That leads us into our deep dive, where we look at one idea from today's news and see exactly how it works under the hood. Google built something called Synth ID that adds invisible marks to pictures, videos, audio, and text created by AI. The system works a bit like the hidden date and location data your phone tucks into every photo you take. Instead of storing the date, though, Synth ID hides a secret pattern that special software can read later. Imagine a watermark printed on paper money that still shows up even after the bill gets crumpled or folded many times. The pattern gets added when the AI creates the file, so later checks in Google Search or the Gemini app can tell whether the content came from AI. This check happens without changing how the picture or sound feels to regular people who just want to enjoy it. Over 100 billion images and videos already carry these marks, and the same system now covers 60,000 years of audio clips. The result gives everyone a quiet way to keep track of what is real and what was generated without needing any technical skills to check. Now for cool stuff and try this, where we find tools you can actually use today. A new site called Flare lets anyone report when an AI starts giving unsafe advice, like instructions for something harmful. It works like a neighborhood watch group that passes tips to people who study how to keep AI helpful. Go to the Flare site, describe what the chatbot said that felt off, and submit the note. No coding is needed, and it takes just a minute to help make future AI systems safer for everyone. Another option worth exploring is a full video course called Generative Artificial Intelligence Full Course 2026 from Simplilearn. The lessons walk through how AI creates text and images using plain examples instead of confusing terms. Search for the course title on YouTube, press play on the first video, and follow along at your own pace. Each part builds on the last so you finish understanding the basic ideas behind tools like ChatGPT without any prior experience. Time for Quick Bits, the fast round of smaller updates. Many people who use the free version of ChatGPT say answers now feel shorter and more robotic. The service cuts you off after fewer questions than before. It is a reminder that free tiers can change without much warning. Power users often end up trying other free tools when limits kick in. Reports on Reddit describe the recent shift in how the free tier responds. Users note the stricter cutoffs appear without advance notice. This pattern has prompted some to explore alternative free options right away. One person online shared that they enjoy folding laundry as a calm activity, but would happily hand household chores to a robot. The idea includes the robot safely handling sharp objects at night so the person could spend more time with their kid. It gives an early look at how people already picture AI helpers fitting into everyday family routines. The comment highlights laundry as one task the poster still prefers to keep. Other chores involving knives or similar items are viewed as good candidates for automation. Nighttime operation is mentioned specifically to free up family time. The post appears on X under the name Linus Ekenstam. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts on tech, science, and markets, each one a short, sharp briefing you can finish on the commute. If today earned its place in your feed, here's your next listen. Models and Agents, your daily briefing on AI models and agents. Find every show free at naranetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.